Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on exporting management log files on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Accounts from the left sidebar. From there, select Access Work or School. Here you can click the Export button to export your management log files. Once you do that, they will be saved to the folder shown below it. You can then navigate that folder to browse the log files. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.